So, 2 days later or whatever, and my neck is really sore. My throat, my voice is a little rough, and I still seem to be coughing up some blood from my upper sinuses. And my neck really hurts. I can't like put any weight on my neck. Every time I roll over, it's like I got it's a really sore neck. That's what it is, a really sore neck. And blood up in my sinuses coming out finally. I just woke up after getting some sleep after being attacked. After having my life threatened and almost dying and being choked to death in the woods.